Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I am today making pumpkin puree. Pumpkin is rich in phosphorus and magnesium. These are some nutrients which are required for a healthy development of a baby. These are not found frequently in all the vegetables and lentils, so it is good to include pumpkin in your baby's diet when you are starting solids for them. So let's dive right in and see how to give pumpkin for babies.
Let's begin with taking a piece of pumpkin. Ensure that it is fresh and it is deep yellow in color. We will scrape the skin of it and then wash it and then make small pieces like this. You can even bake it to make a puree or microwave it or use the steaming method. There are multiple methods of pureeing. I am using a pressure cooker, adding these chopped pumpkin and water to it. We will pressure cook it for about 2 to 3 whistles because we want it to be cooked well and soft. Just like this. After that, when you poke a fork into it, you can see that it's soft and it easily gets in. So that's when it is perfect. And now we will transfer the pumpkin pieces to a blender jar. I'm adding in cinnamon powder. You can even add cardamom, pepper powder, or any spices which can be introduced to baby at this age. So pumpkin puree is ready. You can even make a combination by adding in potato or any other vegetable. It would taste really yum and it would add more nutrition. So now we are going to serve it to our baby just like this. Adding in ghee is also a great idea.
There are plenty of recipes of purees and porridges on our channel. We especially make baby food recipes and kids food recipes so that we have a healthy next generation without we being forced to give outside food. It's easy to make homemade baby food, and that is my intention to start this YouTube channel as well. If you are new to my channel, please get back to that video section of Tots and Moms and have a look at the vast collection of recipes. You can even check other playlists which are good for parenting as well, like how to take care of a baby massage, when to give ghee for a baby, and many things like that. So I would also request you to subscribe to our channel so that you stay updated with all the videos I posted. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon in We'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.